Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ back with another video. Today I'm here with the wig from samsbeauty.com. I picked up this wig called REYNA from Sensational. They have a What Lace series, and I'm here with it, okay? And basically it's just giving, you know, that hairline illusion that's making it look like yours. Y'all know I was ready to test this out because I'm like, sis, I want to see what this is going to be. I want to see if it's really going to hold up to the title, what lace, or, you know. So, yeah, I did get this hair in a 1B. And, yeah, I'm showing you guys the construction of this lace. This is transparent, and it is a... I don't know the dimensions of it. Please check the description section below. I don't know if it's a 13 by 6, not sure, but I do know the lace is Swiss. So this is the construction of the unit. It has 2 combs on the side, it has 1 in the nape, and it has 2 drawstrings in the back. Okay, so like I said, I love how it's well constructed. It's very thin. The density is not thick at all. I noticed that the hairline was pre-plucked, and I noticed that well, I didn't really look up close to the knots. I don't know if they were seamlessly, like they were flawless. And I know with the Swiss, the way they design it, you don't see the knots in there. So we about to put this bad baby on to see what REYNA is working with, okay? And look at my face, y'all. REYNA is giving me life, y'all. Like, I haven't reviewed synthetic wigs in a long time. It's been about a year. So I was really impressed with Sensational. Like, sis, y'all did that. Y'all really did that. And it blew my mind because I'm like, they out here giving us these types of customized hairline for the price that when we're spending thousands and thousands upon the dollars on the virgin hair companies, we still have to go in and, you know, pluck it, bleach the knots, and just do a lot of stuff, which takes a lot of time. I'm that type of girl, like, I like quick and easy. I like to throw on a wig, be gone, be about my business, boom, boom, boom. So I really enjoy the fact that I'm back with the synthetic units, but not only that, I don't have to worry about them bulky hairlines, sis, and just it looking fake. And it, oh, y'all don't know how excited I was for this series. So Sensational, y'all are doing the dang thing, and I just give you guys a round of applause because this is definitely what I'm looking for. Okay, so I'm just cutting the lace off, and like I'm saying, they're living up to the standard of what lace because it's melting right into my skin, sis. It's just really melting. Now this lace is very transparent to the point where I had a colored wig cap on, and as you guys see me parting here, you can see that line of demarcation. I did not need that wig cap on, sis. I don't know what I was thinking, what I was doing. I don't even know why I didn't take it off, but I pointed it out and still continued to do the wig. Like, sis, who does that? So I'm just going to go ahead and create some baby hairs. You guys don't need to do that. If you do not like baby hairs, you don't need to create them. You guys know I can't live without them, and I just feel like it makes the unit look a little bit more natural, but you're able to still slay with minimal baby hairs, okay? You're still able to do the same. Now, I do not secure any of my synthetic units. I never have. Probably never will unless I want extra security, but my head is big, so this wig is big head friendly, and it fits very snug to the point where I don't need that extra security. Now I do put a little bit of got2b glue hairspray on top of it, but it's, as far as like taking each section, taking the glue and laying down, since no, you don't even need to do all that because the wig is nice and snug. Once you do the layover method with your drawstrings in the back, it just has everything laying nice and flat. So sis, we looking like we're rocking virgin hair, period. I don't care what no one says. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. You cannot look at it, and like I'm just appalled because they even mimic the texture and the look of virgin hair. Like, I'm just impressed. Like, y'all, I could go on and on and on. They're just winning in my book. Like, already this has hit the top with the best hair of my summer so far. Well, in the synthetic unit range. But sis, this wig is giving me so much freaking life, and I just love it, period. So I'm just going ahead and finishing up the baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, mold it down. I put my little, I forgot what those papers are called, but I put that paper on in my scarf and I let it sit for 10-15 minutes. And I take it off, and like literally I'm ready to go out the door. Just give you guys a few tips before I let you guys go, because I've been talking half the video. Be mindful that this wig is synthetic. Do not plop this on your hair every day unless you're trying to just buy another one, okay? These units are very, very precious, okay? So when these are units that I would say that, you know, you can wear for special occasion, if you're going to a nice party, if you have an event to go to. These units are great because you can put it on and go, and you can put her back up for when you need her again. If you wear this wig every day, sis, it's going to be, no, sis, it's not even going to last that long, okay? Be mindful, it is synthetic, okay? I know it looks good. I know it's a wig that you want to put on your hair every day, but you can't, boo-boo. You can't. I'll say once or twice a week at the most. But like I said, this is synthetic, so you will get a few bit of tangles. Do not brush and use your comb with this curl texture pattern unless you don't want it anymore, okay? I've straightened curly hair before, and it goes into this nice, soft, silky, you know, texture of hair, but it does not revert back, okay? You can wash these units, but just be very, very gentle. Finger detangle, okay? Just take your time. Don't rush, because this is not virgin hair. You can't treat it like that, okay? I'm just cleaning up that part. Y'all should have really took that wig off. I mean, wig cap off. I don't know why I did that. So I'm trying to fix it to my best ability. It looks brighter and yellower in the middle. But anyways, nobody still could come for me, okay? Okay, this curl pattern is very, very pretty. Now, the density on the unit is a great density. However, it is summertime, so be mindful. If you're not going to be inside, you're going to be hot, period, okay? The hair is very, very long, and it's very, very, it has a lot of density when it comes down to the curl pattern. It doesn't have the density up in the lace area at all. It's nice and flat and seamless and flawless, okay? I didn't get any shedding unless, only when I can't talk. Only when I cut into the lace. So everything else was bomb.com, y'all. I'm just giving you guys a few hairstyles you can wear. And you only can wear it like this because the hair is long enough to cover the tracks in the back. So, sis, you did your thing, Sensational. Y'all check the description section out below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. And also let me know what you guys thought, okay?